Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on beautiful Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we've got an adorable neighborhood, Paradise Grove, out on the quiet West End. You can shoot straight across the street and land right here. We're also eye shot to the carousel. I don't want you to miss this one. Let's go take a look. So welcome into this adorable beach cottage. I love that you've got your open living space here. You've got plenty of room for a dining room table. And I love this updated kitchen. It's just sweet and perfect. And what's great is this community is rather small, kind of tucked off and away from 98. So you're not gonna hear the hustle and bustle when you get back here. Now I want to show you the bedrooms. Let's go. So welcome into the main ensuite. This sweet cottage is a 3-bed, 2-bath, and you've got plenty of space in here. Something I want to point out is the contiguous floors throughout. That's exactly what we all want. And with it being plank, it's perfect for those days on the water. And of course, you've got this awesome ensuite. I love the high contrast with the black details and stuff in here, but it's a full ensuite ready for you. So for more information on this beautiful gated community, look in the description below. We've got the listing link there for you. You can check out all the fine details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell so you don't miss out on any beautiful beauties like this one.